Hello everybody and welcome to the PORWC That Guy with the Glasses Truck Series, where we have now begun the Pacific Cup. Pacific Cup is beginning right now here at Infineon Raceway, or Sears Point, whatever you call it. So the Pacific Cup begins with the Sonoma race here at Sonoma. We're live. Anyway, starting on the pole today is the 60, the Montreal Canadian Kyle Livingston. On the outside is the Dallas Star Gattuso. Third is our last winner, the Toronto Maple Leaf Seth Cole. Fourth is the Chicago Blackhawk of Barney Ward. Fifth is the Philadelphia Flyer Ben Ward. Sixth is the Tampa Bay Lightning Peter Saviano. Seventh is the 23 Buffalo Sabre Brian Acosta. And eighth is the 17 of Dylan Poteet. Well, I originally had kicked him out of his ride because he hadn't commented, but I didn't know he was away, so I gave him the 17 back, and I gave Ryan Cooper the 9 back as well. So Ryan Cooper starts 15th, Dylan will start in 8th. I apologize to Dylan Poteet if I kicked him out of his ride, but I'll try not to do that almost again. Anyway, 9th is the 22 of Trent Dunham, and rounding out the top 10 is Pichu. We do, however, have a new driver in this series, and is in the 31 of the Columbus Blue Jacket. And I think this is the third driver that will ride the Blue Jacket machine, and that is Jake Baskinger. Now, he got the car because Jared Magoon hadn't commented on any of the races, so Jake Baskinger takes over for his car now. Anyway, 31. This is just the third driver in the Columbus Blue Jackets machine. Anyway, the Pacific Cup is underway here. We'll go underway at the Sonoma Speedway. Let's hear those famous words in motorsports.
Drivers, start your engines!
Cars are rolling. It'll be a 6-lap showdown here at Infineon. Kyle Livingston will lead the field of the green. And I think this will be our last... No, I don't think there is one more. I'm not sure. But it might be our last road course race of the season. Comes Livingston. He'll lead down to the green. 6-lap showdown here. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. And the green is out. We're underway at Infineon. And Kyle Livingston got a great start. Haven't got Gattuso on to second over Seth Cole. Now this is the turn that everyone, well, almost everybody gets loose in here. They made it out. Whoa, Matt McMurray saved it. Almost hit to the wall. Hit the wall. And now heading on over to the S-curve. Oh wow, Dylan Poteet on the high side. Whoa. This is the turn that everyone messes up on. Almost everybody. Well, everyone made it through. Kyle Livingston made it through. And he's still leading. And coming off, he'll lead the first lap. Battle for third here, Barney Ward, Seth Cole, and Seth Cole. Cole got high right here. Livingston's going to lead the lap. Last time we've had a big wreck here, Infineon, our last race at the MLB Cup Series, was a huge wreck. And around this turn. It might be cleaner this time. And yeah, it will be cleaner this time. Or will it? We'll see. Here's a battle for fourth. Peter Saviano is going to get that fourth spot. Wait, no, fifth, I think. Fifth. Yeah, fifth. Yeah, fifth. Here comes Trent Dunham and Luke Walker. Battling for position here. Ooh, Luke Walker just shakes him off. And now here comes the grass turn. And they all made it out. Still, wow, and here comes a battle for 6th. Dylan Poteet, no, 7th. Dylan Poteet and and the 23 of Ryan Acosta. And he's going to get through. No problem. And a battle here, Jacob Lawler and Alex Dawson in a battle. Oh, boy. They saved it. Wow. And it's Kyle Livingston leading by a second now. Oh, wow. Ryan Acosta's on the bumper of Dylan Poteet. Whoa, someone got high. I thought someone did get high on up there. And now Alex Dawson trying to make a move on Trent Dunham. And he does. Whoa, whoa, oh wow, Jacob Lawler was dangerously high up there on that turn. He saved it, but wow, almost a wreck. Here comes Ryan Cooper. Right beside him, Connor Breton. And there's Xavier Livingston and 25 of Jason Marshall. Now Marshall makes the move. 3 wide here. Oh boy, they're dangerous. Xavier Livingston, Jake Rogers, Eric Burnett almost went 3 wide. That was a relief. Now they're just like in the bumper of each other trying to make that move. And wow, look at this. Wow, Evan Gattuso is trying to catch up to Kyle Livingston. Wow, he's catching up to him right now. And now here comes that turn. And they both took it into the grass. Into the sand, I mean. The others did take it sometime. And now Hiroshi Kato gets through Ryan Cooper. And now it is Jake Rogers against Xavier Livingston here. Still a battle there. Hasn't been stopped yet. 2 laps to go right now, and I think Kyle has crossed the line already. There'll be 2 laps to go now for Kyle Livingston. And a caution will end the race at this point. And they're still battling. Jake Rogers and Xavier Livingston still battling. Eric Burton right behind him. And now, wow, he dropped back. Jake Rogers in the grass. Oh no, he's in the sand. He dropped way back. Yikes. But it's all about right now Kyle Livingston. Here comes the turn though. And they both take it smoothly. Wow. They took it smooth. I'm surprised there. Kyle Livingston led every lap so far. Now Evan Gattuso is coming up right behind him. Will Gattuso have enough time? We'll see. And now Kyle Livingston is now going to see the white flag. Last lap for him. 1 lap to go in Infineon. Every move is crucial because Evan Gattuso is right behind him. Oh wow, Gattuso's got a good run on that turn. Well, will it be enough to catch up to Livingston? Here comes the other one. Oh, Livingston pumped a little bit there. And now they're heading to the S-curve. Now after this turn, they'll head to the S-curve. And this is where they'll have that last turn. That's the toughest turn of the course. Here comes the last turn. And both got into the sand. That was good enough for Kyle Livingston. He might pull away with this. He might just do it. And coming off the final turn, Kyle Livingston is going to hold off Evan Gattuso, and he'll take the checkers to start off the Pacific Cup in Infineon. Well finished, and Livingston will take the win. Wow, Evan Gattuso was hard charging, but Kyle Livingston had that held on to the win. Congrats. Top 10 with Kyle Livingston, Evan Gattuso, and hold on if this loads. Barney Ward, Seth Cole, Ben Ward, Peter Salviano, Pichu, Ryan Acosta, Luke Walker, Jacob Lawler, the top 10. And the rest of the field. Wow, look at this. Wow, the bottom two of the drivers were Aaron Taylor and Aaron Williams. 29th was Taylor, 30th was Aaron. Oh my goodness, a tough day for both of these drivers. Well, the Williamses did not do so great at this course. 29th and 30th. Yikes. But luck next race, guys. It's just the first of the Pacific Cup. There's only 4 left in the Pacific Cup. And 9 races to go in the season until the playoffs. Anyway, congrats Kyle Livingston, folks. Yeah, Williams lost 7 positions to 30th. Yikes. He's not going to be too happy about that. Neither will Taylor. Yeah, got a feeling. Next race will be at Texas Motor Speedway, the hometown of Trent Dunham. The home track of Trent Dunham is going to be our next race. Texas Motor Speedway. Strap yourselves in for a wild ride. So, see you at Texas and we'll show you the point standings. Take care.